Okay, here on number 14, we've got an order for drug Y, 25 milligrams BID, and safe dosage range says 5 to 10 milligram per kilogram per day in 2 to 3 divided doses. So, check the frequency. Is BID the same as 2 to 3 divided doses? Well, BID happens twice a day, which means it is 2 divided doses. So, frequency is safe. Part A. We want to know, what is the safe dosage range? Typically, they were asking us for the weight in kilograms, right? Does that mean we don't have to do it? I mean, our patient weighs 60 pounds, measured in pounds, and our safe dosage range says we're measured in kilograms. So we are going to have to convert that, but I'm going to show you how to convert it within the dimensional analysis problem. You could do it separately if you prefer, but I just wanted to show you, because I think as you progress in your nursing career, you're going to find that you'll want the shortcuts. Okay, you'll want to know how to do it all at one time and save yourself some time. But I realize that it may be a bit before you get that comfortable with it, and that's okay. Okay, so if we are going to work it within the same dimensional analysis problem, let's start with our low and high. The low end says that we need 5 milligram per kilogram per day. So our desired answer is milligram per day. And we're going to jump with the 5. Now this is written milligram per kilogram per day, right? So this is the piece where we do get to include the day down here. Now if you have the day written within this first fraction, you're not going to multiply by 2 times a day here at the end. Okay, we're just going to start with the day. Now, typically, this would be where we toss in our such and such kilograms to be able to cancel with those kilograms, except I don't know what 60 pounds is in kilograms, so I do need to do a conversion, though. 1 kilogram is going to be 2.2 pounds, and we're dealing with 60 pounds for our patient. So I think that should get our units. Let's check. The kilograms are going to cancel, the pounds are going to cancel, milligram on top, day on bottom. So we're ready to go. So we'll do 5 times 60 is 300. And on bottom, we have the 2.2. So that should work out to give you 136.4 milligram per day. Okay, so it's not the end of the world to go ahead and do that conversion within your safe dosage range problem. It's doable. Let's look at the high side. Milligram per day, we're now dealing with 10 milligram per kilogram per day. And we still want to convert. 1 kilogram is 2.2 pounds. We're dealing with a 60-pound patient, so kilograms and pounds cancel. And now we have 600 divided by 2.2, which is 272.7 milligram per day. All right, I'm going to move to the next slide, so pause me if you're not ready yet. Part B, what is the daily dose that has been ordered? Well, the order comes back up here to this 25 milligrams BID, right? The BID stands for twice a day, so 25 milligrams times 2 a day means that we need to be giving 50 milligrams throughout the entire day. 25 per dose, 50 milligram per day. So, part C, is it safe? Does that 50 milligram a day fit in with this 136 to 272? Nope. So it's too low. We're going to call the provider and clarify. So this dose is too low, right? I mean, it's not like we're going to overdose our patient with this. In fact, it's called an underdose. It means that yes, you're giving them medication, but you're not giving them enough medication to actually do anything for the patient. It's not going to help them. Okay, it's not strong enough. So this is a not safe dose. I mean, it's not helping them out any. Right? That is one that we do need to call and clarify on. Okay, let's move to number 15. Number 15, we've got an order for valproic acid syrup, 300 milligrams by mouth twice a day. Safe dosage range says 10 to 15 milligram per kilogram per day, and our patient weighs 50 kilograms. So, check your frequency. The BID and per day. So, it's not technically the same, right? Twice a day. This one's happening throughout the entire day. So this one's gonna be okay. All right. The BID, the doctor does want to split the dose. That would be okay, even if the safe dosage range says that it has to happen per day. I mean, technically, 2 times a day is still happening within the same day, right? So this one is going to be good to go. All right, what is the patient's weight in kilograms? So typically this is where we take our weight and divide it by the 2.2, except this is already figured in kilograms, right? So we don't have to do any math. We just answer 50 kilograms. There might be one of those on your homework. Be careful. Part B, what is the safe dosage range? So there's a low and a high, and it's written milligram per kilogram per day. So let's start desired answer as milligram per day. And we're going to go with the low number, 10 milligram per kilogram per day. And when you get rid of the kilograms, right? So they gave us our weight in kilograms, so we're just going to bring that in. Kilograms cancel, and we get an answer of 500 milligrams per day. On the high side, it's the same math. We're just working with 15 milligram per kilogram per day. Multiply it by the 50, and we get 750 milligram per day. All right, looking at the next slide. Part C, what is the daily dose that has been ordered? So our order says that we need to give 300 milligrams by mouth BID. BID means 2 times a day, so that's looking at 600 milligrams per day. Does that fit within our 500 to 750? Yeah, it's safe. We can go ahead and give that one.